Number 1. Wilson's Bird of Paradise. Neon colors and spiral tail. Number 2. Nicobar Pigeon. Metallic rainbow feathers. Number 3. Victoria Crown Pigeon. Giant bird with royal crown. Number 4. Lilac-breasted roller. Almost every color in one bird. Number 5. Rainbow lorikeet. Looks painted by hand. Number 6. Hoopoe. Fan-shaped crown. Number 7. Secretary bird. Elegant and strange long legs. Number 8. Indian peter. Tiny bird with bright rainbow body. Number 9. Turaco. Glowing green feathers. Number 10. Long-tailed widow bird. Dramatic flying tail. Thanks for watching.